Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. Thanks for tuning in. So I'm in the new dollhouse again today, doing some more renovations and makeovers. So I'm going to start on the bathroom. Here's some pictures that I've showed you previously of how I created the bathroom, created a false wall, and then actually decided to put down tiles on the bathroom. So I'd initially done wood, but I think tiles looks better for a bathroom. And what I like about my false wall that I've made is that I can actually take it out, do stuff in the bathroom, and then put it back in. I might, if I feel it needs to, I might glue it to the back wall, but at the moment I'm happy enough that it sort of wedges in nicely and I can take it in and out, and that gives me a chance to decorate much more easily. As I said before, I'm absolutely loving this flat pack dollhouse because everything can be taken out, literally the walls and the floors can be taken out, and it's just so much easier to decorate. So just having a little sneaky peek in the bedroom. I showed you last week I've readjusted the bed, made it smaller and redressed it, kept my bedside tables, but I will be doing some more things in there, so that'll be coming up soon. And then just having a look here at the bathroom door, which I'm so pleased with. Two beads either side, look really cute. And as I said, I haven't glued it in place at the moment, but it does make it nice and easy for decorating. And I've got a little bench there still, and the plant and the toiletries, but everything else needs to be made. So let's get started on the toilet. I've got to make a new one. I'm kind of using the influence of my first bathroom. So that's just a little box. I think it was a staple box. Just covered it in white paper and put a sequin on the top for the flusher. And then I've just used my poster board again, cut a toilet seat shape out, and the bottom is a face cream jar just turned upside down, and I think when I glue that together that's going to be a fantastic toilet. There we are, the toilet's all ready. Now I've put it initially under the window there, and then I was going to put next to it my vanity unit, and then I've got this pedestal here with a plant on, and I was thinking about what to do next. So I thought I would make my vanity unit again, very similar to the last one. So just some cardboard cut into rectangles and squares and sellotape together. Then I've just got a piece for the top. Initially I did choose marble, but I thought it doesn't actually go. I haven't got a grey marble, so I'm using this tape, lovely tape here that I've got, and some black tape, and I'm just going to stick that on there and then put the black edges on, and I think that suits the black and white decor in the bathroom. So that's nice top now, and then I'm going to cover the bottom bit with some lovely black glitzy paper that I've got on a roll, and I think that looks lovely. And then obviously I have to customise it up with a line down the middle to make it look like cupboards, and then I've stuck two pins with lovely pearl ends on for the doorknobs, and I've stuck one on the side for a towel rail. So as I was saying, I had got the toilet under the window, and then I was going to put the unit next to it, but then I thought, well, actually, it kind of hides the toilet, which I think, you know, it's nice to actually be able to see it in the bathroom. And then I also made this toilet roll holder. I think it's a golf tee, and I just put them on top. But then I had a rethink, and I thought I might stick with the basket idea. It looks a bit more sophisticated. So I just tried that out. But I don't think I'm going to keep it. This is where the wall coming out comes in handy. I've got this brilliant compact mirror, and I thought, well, if I just glue that onto the wall there, and then I can put my vanity underneath. So I've moved the vanity over to this side, and then I can put the toilet opposite, and then that'll fit in nicely. So I'm thinking that looks really good. I've just popped the shower area in at the back. You can see I've just got some paper with a brick pattern and just folded it and stuck it in the back there, and then just got a tiled floor piece and put that in with a plug hole printable on top. So that's the shower area in position, toilets in, units in. It's really starting to come together now as the bathroom. So next job is the sink. I'm really pleased with this. This is the lid off a Yankee Candle jar. Again, put another printable plug hole in, and then a couple of beads off an old pair of shoes, and a bit of foil twisted into a tap shape, and there you've got yourself a beautiful classy modern sink, which has got on the unit there. Really nice. And then, as I said, I was making a basket. You might have seen this as a short I posted this week. So just a martini lid off a bottle, wrapped it round with the twine, and then put the toilet rolls in. I think it looks great. So I've moved the toilet over, and then I've just used a paper clip and then stuck it to the wall with a piece off the tape roll that I used for the top of the sink. Just cut a sort of a shaped piece out and then used that to stick the toilet roll holder onto the wall. And then I just added some toiletries onto my vanity. And I think it's really looking fantastic. Having a little sneaky look through the window. This is the view that the window cleaner would get of the bathroom. So you might not be able to see in this picture, but there's actually a piece of plastic that I'm holding up here. I've just cut it to fit, and then I've put it inside the bathroom. I've actually glued it to the paper. And it does sort of open and close, so you can get in, but it is open on the end, so you can just walk in to the shower. I might add a handle onto it or some trim, but for now I've just kind of left it blank. And then obviously I have got to make some shower fittings. So here it is, look, the wall going in. I took the wall out to make it easier to get the shower screen in. So now the wall just slots in. As I said, I can glue it if I want it to be permanent, or for convenience, it does wedge in nicely and will come in and out easily. So I think that works nicely. The mirror's on there. The vanity unit is going that side. I'm really pleased that I did that because I think you can just see into the bathroom better. And then the toilet rolls could go there. Possibly the other side of the unit, there might be room for a plant, although I have put a towel on that side now, so possibly not. So in goes the toilet. I have kept my please seat yourself sign. I might change that. I might put some other artwork up on the wall. So here's the vanity unit. There's the fantastic sink, and then I've got my hand soap and my toothbrush holder and my toothbrush and my toothpaste, and then the lovely unit. I love the sparkle on that black, and there's the towel hanging up on the side. So that's the vanity unit, looking really cute. And then here's the toilet. As I say, you've got the toilet roll holder. I'm really pleased with that. And the toilet. And then we've got the shower area at the back. Got my toilet roll basket there. Got the toiletries on the bench. I could add some towels. I could put that plant back on. And I do need to put some plumbing in the shower. I've got the drain, but I do need to put the shower nozzle in, so that's another little job to do. And then I have got this space here now under the window, so possibly a towel cupboard, or maybe a radiator, or something like that. So there's just a little bit of work left to do, but generally I'm happy that the bathroom is completed. I've made a start on the bedroom next door. You might be able to see a sneaky little peek at a unit there that I'm going to put some things on. I'm going to make a wardrobe, possibly a little rug. I'm not going to fill the bedroom up too much. I have got a plant in there as well, and then obviously I can move on to the kitchen and the living room. So it's all going on, as always, the way I love it the most. Full on renovation going on in the house. As if I haven't already got enough to do with this house, I have actually started on my dollhouse kit as well, which is really cute. It's really small, but it does look really nice, and I will be sharing that with you soon when I've got a little bit more done on it. And I'm also doing a little bit of Easter crafting at the moment. I've been to Hobbycraft this week, you might have seen on the shorts. I've bought a few things, and I have got a really nice idea for an Easter craft, which hopefully I can get done before Easter. So, as always, thank you very much for watching. If you have subscribed, thank you very much. If you haven't, please consider doing so. Give me a like, drop me a comment, 'cause I do love to hear from you. So, until next week, take care. Bye bye.